Another learning section with TinkerCAD. This is the enrichment project, and today we're going to be talking about the new items that TinkerCAD has added as far as options for designing and 3D designing. And it's called Making at Home. So if you go to the right hand side where you have your options for more shapes, you can scroll down to Making at Home, New, and it'll be highlighted in green. Okay, here you will be able to see some of the new items that have been added, such as a tissue roll, and I'll just click and drag that over here. Popsicle stick, a pencil, a paper towel roll, a sharpened pencil, a penny. Thought that was pretty cool. A bubble straw, metal can, beverage cap, got quarts of milk, chopsticks, yogurt cups, so on and so forth. A water bottle. Thought that was kind of cool too. So these items are items that they put out to kind of help us in the design world, basically. All right, kind of make it a little bit more fun. Use items that we actually have in our home. So things you could make could be like a milk carton, birdhouse. You could make like a popsicle stick coaster, a windmill, those pencil top toys, things of that nature. So we just coming today to tell you more about some of the new things that are happening with TinkerCAD that was just released this month. And you should look forward to some of the projects that we'll be doing in the future with these new items. All right, that's all for today's lesson and update. We look forward to seeing you on the next episode.